Try again, sweetie. It's just a game. Wow. Uh-oh. Maybe not put your knee on the box. Wow. And the big red one? Wow. Good job. Oh. Can you put the green one on top?
Wow, Lerka.
Can you put the green one on top? Oh. Whoa!
Wow.
And this one?
No way.
Holy moly!
That's amazing.
Lerka! You are very good at this, sweetie.
Look at that. Look at that tower.
That's your
No.
grandpa.
Oh, we will
Mommy's
show
gonna have to take a
Grandpa.
picture. Mommy will take a photo and we'll send it to Grandpa.
Look at you.
Mommy will take a photo and we'll send it to Grandpa. Good job. Say, take a picture of the towel. And then we send it to Grandpa so he can see it on the computer, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's stack some more blocks. Let's stack some more blocks. This is a picture for Grandpa of your beautiful tower.
Lerka, can you put another one on top of the tower?
Can you put one more on?
No way. I don't know. Oh, so close.
Very nice. Two towers. Ooh, whoopee. Try again. It was so funny when I got this, and now when I saw it after Christmas, I thought she's not going to want to play with it. Try again, sweetheart.
Uh-oh. All
Try again.
right.